solve this question and let me know what you get. Or you can follow along as I solve. Alright, so in this question, we're supposed to solve for the value of x and y. So let's start. We have that x plus y is equal to 6. This is our equation 1. And we have that xy is 36. That's our equation 2. And then, so we have start on this root side. 3 times root 3 is, let's put a box around this, 3. Okay, so now we have root I, we know that x plus we have y I and I is equal to 6. I is equal to x is the same thing minus 1. 6 minus so y. I times I is, if this y comes over here, okay, times root of minus 1. This is our equation 3, right? So let this minus 1 be represented as, say, the value of x. Okay? So this becomes this equation here, a. So raised to power equation 2 becomes half plus half 6 minus y. So this is a raised to power 1. Y equals 36. Now right, a is 6 times minus 1. 6y. Remember, minus y squared. Or a is minus 1. Equals, remember, 36. So this becomes 6y minus y squared. 36 I times I becomes over there. Becomes minus 36 minus equals 0. We can multiply through can cancel out minus 1. And then we have 9 and it becomes minus 9y squared minus 6y minus 3 plus 36. So we have 9, 0 minus 27. So now to solve for y, we go ahead and use our formula. Y is this equal to 36 minus b plus or minus root now it becomes 9 plus 27 minus 4ac. Everything, if we add these two together, we get 2a. 36 equals 36. Now, our a, correct. From this we've equation, been able to prove that equation 4, our values of x, a is 1, and our values b is y minus 6 are both correct. And c is 36. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel. So let's plug these values so you can get this more videos like this. So y come your way equal to. Make sure you subscribe. Minus times make sure you like the video. Plus, so we have 6. And make sure you share the video. Plus or minus. Thank you. And see you on the next one. Square root of. Bye-bye. Minus 6 squared. Minus 4. A is 1. And C is 36. All divided by 2. A is 1. Okay. Now y is equal to 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 4 dot 1 dot 36 divided by 2a. Now we can factor out 36 in the under the square root. So y equals 6 plus or minus root of 36 into 1 minus 4 divided by 2. Now this becomes 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus 3 divided by 2. And so we'll just carry on. We'll rewrite that to become 6 plus or minus root of 36 dot minus 1 and 3 divided by 2. That can also be written as 6 plus or minus root 36, root minus 1, and root 3, all divided by 2. Now, y is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 is 6, because 6 squared is 36. Root of minus 1 is I, and then we have root 3 divided by 2. This can be rewritten as 6 over 2 plus 6I root 3 divided by 2. That cancels out. That cancels out. And we have y to be equal to 3 plus 3 root 3I. That's our y1. And then we also have here that 6 over 2 minus 6I root 3 divided by 2. We cancel out. And y2 is 3 minus 3 root 3I. Okay, so we're just going to put this in a box. Now, we know from equation 3 here that x is equal to 6 minus y. So we just plug in the value of y. We have x1 because we have y1 and y2. So x1 becomes equals 6 minus, this is our y1, okay? So that becomes 3 plus 3 root 3I. And then x2 is 6 minus 3 root 3I. Now, so x1 is 6 minus 3 root 3I. And x2 is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 3 root 3I. Now, x1 is 6 minus 3 is 3 minus 3 root 3I. And x2 is 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 3 root 3I. So this becomes the values that we get for x1 and x2. Now we need to go back and prove that our answers are correct. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 6, and then xy is equal to 36. So pick one of those. X1 here. X1 here is 3 minus 3 root 3I plus our y1. That's our y1 right there. And this becomes 3 plus 3 root 3I. This cancels out. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So that's correct. Now the next one is this. We're going to multiply both. So we have 3 minus 3 root 3i. 3 plus 3 root 3i. Is it equal to 36? Okay? So let's multiply. So this is same as having a minus b, a plus b, which is a squared minus b squared. But I'm going to go ahead and multiply everything out. So 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 root 3i is plus 9 root 3i. This times this is minus 9 root 3i. This times this is minus 3 times 3 is 9. And then, so we have root 3 times root 3 is 3. And we have root I, we have I and I. So I is equal to root of minus 1. So I times I is times root of minus 1, right? So let this minus 1 be represented as, say, a, okay? So this becomes a raised to the power half plus half. So this is a raised to the power 1, okay? Now a is minus 1, remember. Our a is minus 1, remember. So this becomes, I times I becomes minus 1. So these can cancel out. And then we have 9 minus 9 times minus 3. So we have 9 minus 27. Okay. Is this equal to 36? Now it becomes 9 plus 27. If we add these two together, we get 36 equals 36. Correct. So we've been able to prove that our values of x and our values of y are both correct. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos like this come your way. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like the video, and make sure you share the video. Thank you, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.